The cup made of this material will conduct electricity, so stick a layer of this PI film. Affix to the surface of this stainless steel container. This is a conductive heating sheet infrared paper. It is the material. Wrap this conductive infrared paper over this container like this. This is what it looks like after wrapping infrared paper over this. There is a layer of PI insulation film wrapped inside and outside. Then use this kind of aluminum foil to stick a layer on the periphery to fix it. This is what it looks like after the aluminum foil is pasted. Then we connect the low voltage power supply. We turn on the power switch and use my mobile phone to record the time it takes for the water to boil. After half a minute of heating, you can clearly see the air bubbles. Let's keep heating and let the water boil. Welcome to discuss the application of this rapid heating material in the comment. After a minute of heating, you can see that the water is completely boiling. Subscribe to my channel. I will share more interesting little experiments.